In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause and resume syncing in Google Drive for desktop. Whether you're working on a Windows PC or a Mac OS, these steps will help you manage your syncing activities efficiently. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to locate the Google Drive for desktop icon. This can be found in the System tray if you're using a Windows computer, or on the menu bar if you're on a Mac OS. The icon is typically represented by a triangular shape with the iconic Google colors, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've spotted it, give the icon a click. This will prompt a menu to appear, and your next step is to look for the Settings icon, which resembles a gear. Click on this gear icon to reveal more options. Here is where you'll be able to control your syncing preferences. If you need to pause syncing, simply select the option labeled Pause Syncing. Doing so will temporarily halt any background activities related to file uploads and downloads. This can be particularly useful if you're experiencing slow internet speed and need to allocate bandwidth elsewhere, or simply want to pause these activities momentarily for any other reason. Keep in mind, though, that when syncing is paused, any recent changes you make to files won't be uploaded until you resume syncing again. Now, if the time comes when you're ready to resume syncing, it's just as simple. You'll head back to that same menu. This time, instead of pausing, you'll see an option that says Resume Syncing. Click on it, and your files will begin to synchronize once more. Bear in mind that resuming sync might take a little while, especially if you have large files or a significant number of changes that need to catch up. It's worth noting that on some systems or versions of Google Drive for desktop, these pause and resume options might not readily appear. If this is the case, checking for updates to ensure you have the latest version of the client installed could solve the issue, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can pause and resume syncing in Google Drive for desktop, giving you more control over how and when your files are updated. This can greatly enhance your workflow and allow you to manage your internet resources more effectively. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.